Align the candle vertically with the magnetic socket on the base and insert it downward. This product features a magnetic connection. The candle will automatically attach when the base of the candle approaches the magnetic holder. Place the crystal stones in the fireplace. Unscrew the 2 fixed screws in both sides of the mounting bracket on the back of the fireplace, then remove the bracket. Ensure the mounting bracket is level against the wall. Then, mark the wall through the reference holes. At the marked positions, drill holes approximately 45 mm deep with a diameter of 8 mm. Insert the expansion bolts into the holes. Align the mounting holes of the bracket with the expansion bolts and secure them using ST 5.2x35 screws. Hang the fireplace on the bracket. Secure the left and right screws. The wall hanging installation for the electric fireplace is complete. Press the power button to turn on the appliance. Press the timer button to set the timer from 1 to 8 hours. Set the timer to 0 hour to cancel. Press the candle button to turn the candle light on or off. Press the light bed button to change the light bed color. There are 12 settings 1 to 9 and A, B, C. Select setting 0 to turn off the light. Press the dimmer button to adjust the light bed brightness. There are 5 levels. The light bed becomes brighter from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the brightest. Press the heater button to select from 3 modes first, second off. The display will flash. Press the sound button to enable Bluetooth. Press it again to disable the function. The remote control functions the same as the control panel, except for temperature adjustment. Temperature adjustment is available only when the heating function is on. Press the Fahrenheit button to activate temperature setting. Then immediately press the light bed plus candle minus buttons to adjust the temperature. The display will show the set temperature. The default setting of temperature is 77 Fahrenheit.